Hello everyone, good day. Welcome back to the video of Intraday Trading. And here in this video, we are going to say about money management. And again, as a disclaimer, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered trader or a influencer. Okay, so in this money management, in the early videos, I just explained you guys what is intraday trading and what are the prerequisites you need before you do the intraday trading and how a trading mindset should be. And the most important topic, what I not covered in the trading mindset is a money management. Okay, so everybody has their own hard-earned money. So money management is very, very important when you come to the stock market. Okay. So if you think that you want to, somebody say that double your money, triple X or money, 5X or money, do not come to the stock market. Consider stock market as a business, not a gambling. Okay. So for example, the money management, as I told in the first video, do not take any loans for the tradings until you are clear and you are a professional, become a professional trader. Okay, just learn with your capital, which is a very, 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 very small amount. And if you are ready to lose that amount, well and good, fine. Then you will just gain some experience. Okay, just take that capital. I'm not saying take 100 rupees or 1000 rupees. It's based on your capacity, whichever is feasible for you. It's a small capital, and you can, it does, if you lose that money, then nothing is going to change. Then you can just what you do, just invest that money for your trading, and do not do the paper trading. Just go to, once you know the basics, come to the stock market with the small amount of money and do the trading. Okay, so this money management is all about that. And the next one is all about how you manage your money. Okay, so if you have an investment for example 10K, then I would recommend just take 10 percentage for the trading initially. Okay, so once you get the profit, and you need to take 70 percentage of the amount, reinvest into the capital, and 30 percentage just take this out and invest in the stocks, or you can just keep that as a buffer if you go in a loss. Okay, so this 70/30, what I would recommend, like 50/50 is also fine. Okay, but based on your convenience, just take some amount of money and reinvest. And you guys know that it is a compounded, it will be get compounded, and 30 percentage you can just take it for your buffer. Okay, so I hope this money management, I will just talk about, if I don't cover any points, I will just talk about during the strategies. If you guys are not clear with any of the concepts right now, and please let me know. And in upcoming videos, I will just explain you guys what all the strategies you just can follow. And again, I'm telling you, these are the things from my experience. You just do the back testing, and if that is successful, you can implement it. And there is no proper strategy to like 100% successful. Okay, everybody can create their own strategies. You should not rely on any one strategies. You should have your experience, and you can create your own strategy if it works for you. That is, if you get a success rate of 80%, then just stick with the strategy. Okay, and in stock market, nobody has the 100% success rate. Okay, 80% is also too much, but if you are good trader, then if you are a disciplined trader, you can earn 80% success rate in the stock market. Okay, thank you guys, happy trading.